Hello everyone and welcome to this huge nail haul and other such things that I purchased from Temu. I really appreciate you clicking on this video. If you enjoy all things like hauls, ASMR kind of unboxings, all that fun stuff. I do vlogs, just everything lifestyle. If you enjoy that, please subscribe. I did have another channel before and I swapped the positioning of that channel. I went in a completely different avenue, so I restarted this one, and I will leave all my other channels below. I do have a spirituality channel. I do also have an animal channel, an ASMR channel, and I have recently just started another hobby channel that is a micro mini purse thing. So if you really love that type of thing with like small accessories and unboxings, subscribe there as well. So I will leave all that below, but let's jump right into this haul. I did order all of this stuff from Temu. I think I spent 50 or 60 bucks on all of this. A lot of it was nail items, so let's jump right into it. I went through some of them, but didn't really get into the second bag. The first set is a pair of star nails. They have, I believe, they have like a little, and it's ironic, I don't have my nails done and I should with one of these. Maybe I'll do it midway through. It is one of those characters, and I can't remember the name right now, but these are really cute. I don't believe that these were any more than like $1 or $2. Many of these were not more than like $3 basically. I fell in love with these. They were rainbow, very like 90s airbrushy, reminding me of Lisa Frank, and I love that style, so I had to pick those up as well. Another pair is this clouded look to it, really pretty as well. These are all plasticky. They're not very thicker quality. If I come across some that appear that they are, I will definitely let you know. These are also very gorgeous and floral. These are plasticky, but they do have studs or rhinestones attached to them, as you can see. They're really beautiful. These I will probably either glue on or do with a adhesive. Like I'm trying not to use gel polish too much or like gel adhesive with these, but if I have to, I will, because some of these actually are very gorgeous. These are thicker and they're 3D. The ones that were thicker and 3D did usually cost like $1 or $2 more. Some of them were actually really on the more expensive end. Not that they're expensive in the grand scheme of ordering off of these websites, but they could have been like upwards of $20 and $30 for some of these sets. This set I wasn't really in love with once I got it. Some of the nails fell out and I just thought this looked like dollar store quality, but I'm not mad at that one. It is what it is. These ones are 3D. They are strawberry. I like the quality of these ones. We'll be excited to wear them as well. These were very beautiful for certain pieces. Some of the nails I'm not going to wear. I'll probably gather them all up and, I don't know, donate them or just use them for extras. I'm not even sure what I would end up doing with them, but I always end up getting sets of nails where I don't like some of the nails, and because they give you so many, you can substitute and use the nails that you actually do like. Next is these beachy type of nails that are really trending right now. All of these with the 3D beach designs as if they look like they are shells. Especially these colors, these more muted patterns, I think are very popular right now. Another one of those shell type of looks, but these are more goddess elegant with some beads and some gold. This would be really cute with like a goddess costume, something of that nature. Next up are just very delicate looking ones, very florally, very I'm in the woods, enjoying nature. I do believe these are decent quality, but it looks like the individual little pieces are delicate and were glued on nicely. So I will definitely be giving these a try out. Some of the designs can be, when you get close to them, they can appear like a little bit tacky, but they're just nails for fun. These I ended up loving because they just look really plain and simple and elegant. I would put these on right now, maybe. Maybe I'll put these to the side. These were probably a more expensive pair. Usually the pricier pairs come in this plastic container. And here's how they look. They have more decals on them, more 3D looks. The painted structure of the nail appears more thick and gel-like. It doesn't have like that flimsier texture to it. So again, usually those are more expensive. So when you're trying to figure out which nails to buy, when you're picking the ones up that are like $2 and $3, they can have this thinner structure to them. You have to click on the nail, take a good look inspecting them, and I think you'll do well. These ones are plasticky, but they did have these really adorable bow decals, and I do believe bows are going to be really in. Lacy frill detailing. I did do an entire haul on Temu for all pink aesthetic, so if you are into that, please subscribe and I will be dropping that haul as soon as it gets in. Here is what that looks like up close for a representation of what that bow looks like. It's decent. I would buy these again if the nails weren't too thin. I can see that they are a little bit on this one, but if there was a pair that maybe had like a thicker gel-like consistency, but I am not hating on these either. They are very beautiful. I love the bow detailing. And I, again, do believe that is going to be a huge thing, or it's been trending and it's a trend right now, has left us. And these were a trend during the summertime. So I did pick them up as I do live in Florida. I can put them on at any time and feel like I'm living tropically. So I did pick those up and they are 3D. These were definitely worth the money. Next up are these pink mermaid ones. These appeared as if they were going to be cheaper, but they look really nice insofar as there's 3D design structures and gold detailing. I really enjoyed those. Next up, these are kind of repetitive of another pair I had purchased. Again, just that shell, as I feel like that's trendy for the summer or just like for a nude nail, especially where the fact that I live in Florida now, it makes me really feel on that tropical vibe. And I'm somebody who likes to, in what we are now calling romanticize, but I'm saying I like to tropicalize, I don't know, whatever you want to call it, my life. And here's another set of nails to do that with. These are some grapefruits, and they have that sort of Venetian Italian touch to them, which is absolutely gorgeous as well. And I adore these nails. Just visually, they are stunning. Next up, I do have another pair of those type of nails that are very much so in line with that Lisa Frank, rainbows, lots of early 90s hearts and stars, that kind of thing, because I can't get over it. I'll be 90 probably buying things like that. Did end up purchasing a blush because it was just so gorgeous that, and I actually thought I put it back, but I think I guess I ended up buying it, and I will be unboxing it here with you. Here is what that looks like. She's gorgeous, so it makes me believe that she's probably going to be stunning inside, and I don't even remember what I bought, to be quite honest with you. I know that this blush wasn't expensive. Again, everything I bought here did, I think, land me under $50 in this haul. The haul that I am doing next time was like $250, but I have purchased some larger items for my room. Here is the cover for that. Very gorgeous. Oh my God. Get ready for that. That is absolutely stunning. So beautiful. I almost feel bad swatching her, but I'm going to swatch her because why would I buy her if I'm not going to wear her? Oh, she's beautiful. That. So that's really like a blushy highlighter. And I had been really looking for one that I broke from Makeup Revolution that I fell in love with. So that is going to be a sort of dupe for it for now. And again, it was only like $3 or $4, which talked me into putting it in my cart because I was on a nail shopping spree, really. Like I said, I like to unbox mini things on my other channel, so I will be unboxing that over there probably. But this is what that looks like. A little mini purse with some glitters on it. I did get this at Temu. It was just a few dollars. It is very beautiful, actually. The gems or the rhinestones are very pretty. Moving on to the second package. Order these little containers. Sorry if you can hear my button quail in the back. Containers. I thought they would be such an adorable addition to some of my mini things that I collect. You can actually fill them and shut them. They look like legit Tupperware, which was killing me. I had to have them. There was that expensive. It was probably only like $5 or $6. Like, do you see how cute? And it comes with like an entire set. And I also thought about maybe doing a dollhouse. So if I did do something like that, I could use it for that. But I could also use this for just many things that I want to store or need to carry and don't have containers for. And I love that so much, and I'm always like gagged on that kind of stuff, and I get sucked into that type of consumerism all the time. And what I do if I overconsume is I will donate, because I don't want to keep like a huge clutter. I have storage, but if it becomes out of control, I will donate and get rid of things, because honestly, if you're holding on to certain things and you haven't looked at them, or you're not going to like sell them, some of the things that I have, I can sell. So that's different, but I like to donate. I have a bunch of packages now that I have to donate, and maybe in some of the videos I can do giveaways in the future. But another thing that I had purchased was a mini case that was a Melody, my Melody, that was so adorable. You can put like pills or nails. When I lose nails, I can easily put them in there. I did pick this up, and this was actually, and the box is kind of destroyed. I don't know what this is going to be like, but this is a fake, I don't even know if I can show it. It's a fake toy, fake Colt, and I bought it because it's pink, and I really love these. I have a miniature version of this, and I'm just going to use it as like a storage item, as display. It's not real, it's plastic, it's a toy, funsies, because I thought it was just so cute, and I'm not trying to advocate for any type of, you know, mal or harm or anything. It's just a toy. This is the end of this nail haul and those few little extra goodies. I hope everybody enjoyed this haul. If you did, don't forget to subscribe. I have many more unboxings, many more trips and other things planned for this channel. So I hope you did really enjoy it. And until the next time, guys, bye. I hope you all stay tropical.